Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add opening balance in Zoho Books. So, all you have to do is head over to books.zoho.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, just click on the settings icon. Then, under the organization section, click on opening balances. To start, just click on the edit button. So from here, just start filling out details, starting with accounts receivable. You can start importing the file and also in accounts payable, importing the file. Then just click on the specific balances. Say, for example, asset, you're going to fill out all the details and also with expense. The same with bank. You can add bank accounts, liability, equity, and income. Then, once you've entered all the necessary details in opening balances, you can head over and click on continue. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.